How you doing, Big Red? How you doing, Big Red? I'll sing. Sing. I'll sing. You doing okay? You a good boy? Okay. Okay. What you doing? Hmm? I'll make.
Oh, I thought there was another one in there. I was gonna be like, mother! I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so. Okay. This is a silky. It's got fuzzy feet and they got a little pompadour on the top. Dude. And this is a Brahma. So she's gonna be, see, she's got fuzzy feet, she's got wings on her feet. They're huge. Look at the size of those feet. Look at the size of those feet. Like, that's in my hand. Sarah's off picking up the stuff today to make the chickshaw, because we're making another chickshaw for them. It'll actually be, we're making a chickshaw for the big chickens, and then these chickens will go in the little chickshaw. Holy crap, it's hot out here. Dang. So since we haven't been able to talk to you guys for a little while, we'll show you guys how everybody's doing. We have had computer issues, and so we've been having trouble getting you guys footage of what's going on out here. So, this is Professor Oates and Resnick. They're very, very muddy, but they're getting very big. We'll be getting ready to process them here probably in about 6 weeks. So we'll have our very first pork that we've harvested. And once we get the big chickshaw, the new chickshaw built to put the little chicks in. We're going to be getting some meat chickens and a couple of turkeys for to fill up the freezer. Korean salad. They're just beans. Some of our chickens have taken to nesting in the goats' paddock, and the goats are like hay bales, man. So there's Bonnie. Miss Bonnie. Come here, say hi. Come here. Is that good stuff? You don't want it? No? Here, Bonnie. No? You guys are spoiled. You're picky about even which branches of leaves you'll take. Is that better? Hey, Bonnie. No? 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 You just want. Silly. Good. Feel good. Catch you. So, here's Big Red with his little chicken harem. So this is from the newest batch of chickens that we had gotten. Newest. So we had 2 chickens left. So then we bought this batch. So they're laying now. And then we have the chicken littles, which are fixing to start laying. I would say here pretty soon. But we got a bunch of roosters in that batch. Not really sure how we managed that, but we did. So, Josh. So we have chickens that are breaking into the fence, into the garden. They're we think they're coming through here. So we have no chicken wire here. Just down here is where we have it. So Gray Ghost is over there. She's the gray one. Obviously Gray Ghost. But I think she's flying in because she's smaller than everybody else. So, but they're coming in and they're eating my corn and it makes me unhappy. So, to alleviate that problem, since I have corn growing, look at this. Do you see this? See that? Yep. Yep. Right there. And I'll show you guys, look at this. Do you know what that is? That's a little chili pepper. I got a bunch of them growing now. So I got one started here. Right there, see it? And my banana peppers did not take off. For whatever reason. Don't know why, but my chilies did. So I got 2, I got 3, so a total of 3 so far. 3. There's 4. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, during the holidays, I make this stuff called corn pudding. We grew up making it, and it's just a really, really like cheesy, literally cheesy side dish. It's got cheese and like cornmeal and eggs and sour cream. It's awesome. But I make one that's got green chili in it. I can't have green chili, but the rest of the family likes it, so I put one with green chili in it. So I'll have fresh, like my own homegrown green chili to go in our corn pudding for the holidays. It'll be awesome. Cantaloupes are doing well. I harvested the big one that had been over here. I harvested that one. It was really good. I don't think I left it quite long enough because it's kind of crunchy, but it was good. So, but they're doing good. See, I've got them silking out. This one should be a lot farther along than it is. That's some sort of a bug on this corn. I don't know what it is. Hopefully, though, I can get a good amount of corn out of here. My tomatoes, I kind of stopped taking, like I haven't been out here, and they've just kind of exploded. So, you have to be careful with tomato plants. I guess they're part of the nightshade family. So, tomatoes are part of the nightshade family, and you don't want to put that in your compost bin, because it's bad for your animals.